Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant. You got an error. This build of Vanguard cannot run on untrusted machines with error code VAN9101. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to your browser, and if you have an nvidia GPU, download the nvidia app right from here. Install it and it will provide you the latest drivers for your GPU. Go ahead and install or update your GPU drivers using this nvidia app only, and this will hopefully fix out the issue for most of the users. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, first of all, I highly recommend, if you have installed any kind of VPN into your PC, or if you are using VPN while playing the Valorant, make sure you turn it off. After turning off the VPN, right click on taskbar, choose option task manager. Right in this processes tab, type in riot and check if any services of riot client is running or not. If it is running, right click and choose option end task. Same thing you need to check with Valorant also. If it is running, right click and choose the option end task. Now you have make sure that the riot client or Valorant is closed in your system. Now open up your web browser. You need to download a tool with the name Revo uninstaller. Click on this download link to download the Revo uninstaller. Scroll down and here is the portable version. You can use the portable version to launch the Revo uninstaller into your PC. Save it. Once the folder is saved, open the zip folder, drag the files onto a desktop so that the folder inside the zip folder will be unzipped. Now after unzipping, open the folder, right click on Revo U port and choose the option run as administrator. Now right in the search box, type in riot. You will find riot client and riot vanguard. One by one, select both and click on the option uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, click on this moderate option and choose the option scan to find the remaining registries for the vanguard. Now click on select all and hit delete. Once you have done so, same thing you need to do with riot. Search for the riot, select and uninstall the program. Once the program is completely uninstalled, open the official website of the Valorant, download riot client again and reinstall it in your PC, and the issue will be completely fixed. And if none of these steps help you fix out the issue, the only thing you can do is to do a clean installation of the Windows 10 or Windows 11. After doing a clean installation, install the Valorant or riot client, and this will fix out the issue of Valorant error code VAN9101. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.